This lecture is very important for the traders who are very new to the markets. We discuss about common mistakes done by the traders. The first most common mistakes done by the traders that they run their losses and cut their profits. That means they hold the positions which are in a huge loss and cut the positions which have a small amount of profits. By this activity, they don't maintain the risk reward ratio on every trade. You must maintain your win rates and risk reward ratio for every trade. The next common mistake by the traders that they failure to implement stop loss. That also come into the category of discipline. Without stop loss order, only one trade can wipe all of your profits and substantial amount of capital also. The third common mistake done by the traders is not having a trading plan or not trade as per their plan. Your plans should outline your risk management rules. It also outlines exactly how you will enter and exit a trade. The next big mistake done by the traders that they average down or leading to a losing positions. Adding to a losing trade is a dangerous practice. The price can move against you much longer than you expect, as your losses are getting exponentially larger. The most common mistake found in the traders are use of excessive leverage. That means they are getting an exposure much more than their portfolio value. For example, if I have a portfolio value of 10 lakh dollars and I create exposure of 1 crore dollars, that means 10 times I increase my risk exponentially. Single losing trade with excessive leverage can hit your portfolio returns badly. The most common mistakes done by the traders that they can mix different trading styles in one portfolio. One successful trading style gives you huge profits, but that can be set off by another losing trading style. Many of the traders are committed a common mistake of following the herd or a gut feeling. Trade on the basis of gut feeling can trouble or loss due to undisciplined approach. Gut feeling or a screen-based trading systems can provide you over trading habits. Many of the traders try to anticipate or trade on the news basis. Let's understand that. Often the price will move in both directions sharply and quickly before picking a sustainable direction. That means if you're likely to be in a big losing trades within a fraction of seconds on the news release. If any traders getting success in a row, that creates a overconfidence in it, and that will lead to a shrinking of homework. When we make profits, we reduce our homework, which creates overconfidence and make desperate to participate in a losing trade.